Hey guys, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and I wanted to ask you, do you think your website is working as hard as you? Because if you have got a lot of traffic to the website, but no sales and your conversion rate is really low, it means that you are working hard on getting traffic to the website, but once the traffic comes to your website, it just doesn't turn into sales. And this is wrong because if you're paying for Facebook ads, you want to see the results, and the error could not always be that the Facebook ads are not optimized, but that your website content is not optimized to convert. So perhaps you've got product descriptions that are not really written to sell, that you are missing trust signals, that you've got plenty of broken links, that your store navigation is missing important calls to action. So make sure to request a free audit. As I mentioned, it's completely free. It's a complete audit of the website design, SEO, and conversion rate potential. And you can get it by clicking the link below this video, and it will be sent to you via email. So make sure to request it now. And it is being done by Shopify Expert, by myself, Shopify Expert, and I'm Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye.